Welcome to Module 9, Legal and Ethical Considerations in Innovation. Overview. In the world of innovation and entrepreneurship, understanding the legal and ethical frameworks surrounding your business is essential. Entrepreneurs must navigate a complex landscape of laws that govern intellectual property, contracts, consumer protection, and employment. Moreover, ethical considerations play a significant role in how businesses build trust with customers, partners, and employees. This module will provide a comprehensive overview of these legal and ethical issues to help entrepreneurs safeguard their innovation and ensure that their business practices align with societal expectations. Intellectual property, IP protection. Intellectual property, IP, is the lifeblood of innovation. It encompasses the creations of the mind, such as inventions, designs, and artistic works that businesses rely on to differentiate themselves in the market. IP protection is essential for safeguarding these ideas from unauthorized use or reproduction, which could otherwise lead to loss of competitive advantage. Types of intellectual property. 1. Patents. A patent grants exclusive rights to the inventor for a specific period, usually 20 years, preventing others from making, using, or selling the invention without permission. Patents are typically granted for inventions that are novel, non-obvious, and useful. 2. Trademarks. Trademarks protect logos, brand names, and other identifiers that distinguish goods or services in the marketplace. This protection helps prevent other businesses from copying the brand identity and misleading consumers. 3. Copyrights. Copyrights protect original works of authorship, such as books, music, films, software, and artwork. The creator holds exclusive rights to the work for a certain period, usually the creator's lifetime plus 70 years. This protection prevents unauthorized reproduction and distribution of the work. 4. Trade secrets. Trade secrets include formulas, processes, and methods that give a business a competitive edge. Companies protect these secrets through confidentiality agreements and other legal mechanisms. Example: a tech startup that develops a new algorithm might apply for a patent to protect the code and the process behind the algorithm, ensuring no other company can replicate the technology for a set period. Contracts and agreements. Entrepreneurs often enter into various contracts and agreements with investors, customers, suppliers, and employees. These contracts are legally binding and define the terms of business relationships, including expectations, rights, and obligations. Key contracts and agreements for entrepreneurs. 1. Non-disclosure agreements, NDAs. NDAs are used to protect sensitive information from being disclosed to third parties. They are often signed when discussing business ideas, inventions, or partnerships with others. 2. Partnership and shareholder agreements. These agreements outline the ownership structure of the business and the rights and responsibilities of each partner or shareholder. It is crucial for preventing disputes in the future. 3. Employment contracts. Employment contracts define the terms of the employee's role, compensation, and benefits. They also outline expectations regarding non-compete clauses and intellectual property ownership for inventions created during employment. 4. Supply and sales agreements. These agreements are made with suppliers and customers to define terms, pricing, delivery schedules, and payment terms. A well-crafted supply agreement can help protect both parties in case of a dispute. Example: if a founder enters into a partnership with another entrepreneur to develop a product, they should have a partnership agreement to clarify equity shares, profit distribution, and responsibilities. Consumer protection laws. In today's competitive business environment, entrepreneurs must ensure that their products and services meet legal standards for consumer protection. These laws are designed to protect consumers from fraudulent, unsafe, or unfair business practices. Key aspects of consumer protection. 1. Product safety. Businesses must ensure that their products are safe for use and meet regulatory standards set by authorities, e.g., FDA for health-related products, or ISO for manufacturing quality. Failure to meet safety standards can result in product recalls, lawsuits, and damage to the brand's reputation. 2. Truth in advertising. 2. Entrepreneurs must be truthful in their advertising y marketing materiales, avoidando falsas claims or misleading información acerca de sus productos o servicios. This includes labeling products correctly, ensuring that prices are transparent, and providing accurate details on product benefits. 3. Return and refund policies. Many consumer protection laws require businesses to have clear policies regarding returns and refunds, allowing consumers to seek redress if products do not meet expectations. Example: a fashion retailer selling online must provide accurate product descriptions, clearly state the return policy, and ensure the clothes meet quality and safety standards, employment laws, and regulation. As a business grows, it becomes necessary to hire employees. Understanding the legal framework surrounding employment is crucial to maintaining a fair and lawful workplace. Entrepreneurs need to be aware of labor laws to avoid legal disputes and to foster a positive work environment. Key employment laws and regulations. Minimum wage and compensation. Entrepreneurs must comply with local labor laws regarding minimum wage, overtime pay, and other employee compensation. Failure to adhere to these regulations can result in fines and legal action. 2. Health and safety regulations. Employers must ensure that their workplace is safe and that employees have access to health insurance, workers' compensation, and other benefits required by law. 3. Antidiscriminación laws. Employment laws prohibit discrimination based on race, gender, religion, or disability. Entrepreneurs must ensure that their hiring practices are inclusive and non-discriminatory. 4. Termination and severance. Employment contracts should outline the conditions under which an employee can be terminated. Entrepreneurs must adhere to fair termination practices to avoid wrongful dismissal claims. Example: if you hire employees for a startup, you must ensure that the employment contracts comply with local labor laws, including setting clear salary expectations and working hours. Ethical business practices. Ethics in entrepreneurship involves making decisions that align with societal values and contribute positively to the community. Ethical behavior builds consumer trust, attracts investors, and ensures long-term business sustainability. Principles of ethical business practices. 1. Honesty and transparency. Be transparent about your business practices, product details, and financial performance. Customers and partners value honesty and are more likely to support businesses that are open and truthful. 2. Fair treatment of employees. Treat employees fairly, offering equitable compensation, benefits, and opportunities for growth. Ethical entrepreneurs ensure that all employees work in a safe, respectful, and supportive environment. 3. Sustainability and environmental responsibility. Considere the environmental impacto del negocio y tomen acciones para minimizar el residuo, reducir el consumo energético y adoptar prácticas sostenibles. 4. Corporate social responsibility, CSR. Ethical businesses engage in CSR activities by supporting charitable causes, local communities, and environmental initiatives, contributing to societal well-being beyond profit-making. Example: a sustainable fashion company might ensure that their supply chain uses ethical labor practices, avoids harmful chemicals in production, and adopts environmentally friendly manufacturing processes. In this module, we discussed the essential legal and ethical considerations for entrepreneurs, including intellectual property protection, contracts, consumer protection laws, employment regulations, and ethical business practices. Entrepreneurs must navigate these legal landscapes to safeguard their businesses and operate within the bounds of the law. Ethical considerations also play a crucial role in maintaining a positive brand image and fostering trust among customers, employees, and partners. That will be it for this module. Take the quiz to proceed to the next module. See you on the next module.